Guys, today I have my function generator using a resistor ladder and a regular 18 mega 328, just a standard dip package, not using the nano because I didn't really need the UART thing. This is basically exactly the same. Actually, it's basically a copy of Amanda's design using exactly the same chips and layout, except that her design uses LEDs as the indicators for what function it's using. And for me, I changed it to use an LCD, which shows the PWM for the square wave and the frequency. It's upside down right now because of the way that the LCD is oriented to the breadboard, but right now it's set to go at 80 or 0.82 kilohertz, which is 82 hertz, and it's also set at sine wave. If I go up to my oscilloscope, it is set measuring 818, almost 820 hertz, and it's a sine wave. But it's not offset, or it's not like the starting point of the sine wave isn't at zero. So I'm gonna be making like a bipolar uh, like amplifier stage using a little op amp here, and hopefully I can get it so that the middle of the sine wave or the square wave is gonna be at 0 volts, and then it'll go down like plus and minus volts, like a real function generator. But yeah, basically, for the LCD, which is really the main thing for what makes this different from Amanda's, is that I just used the spare pins that the LEDs would have used, and then I had to change the port B or port D command in the code, or disable it completely, remove it everywhere it was in the code, and then add the liquid crystal library, and just add a couple things so that when I press a button, like this is set to sine wave, if I press this, it'll change the saw, and it's a saw. Press the triangle, switch to triangle, and press triangle again. Apparently, press square, and it is square. And then obviously, if I adjust this, which I don't have a screwdriver with me, uh, the PWM will change. So since this basically works, I'm going to be doing the output stage soon. I'll probably use a quad one so I can either switch between a bipolar and just a regular output. And I want to gain it up to 5 volts maximum. So I'll probably be using like a Zinner diode kind of thing to create a bias. Probably use an LM324 or something like Jelly Beanie, and I'm gonna hopefully fit it all on a single double-sided proto board or a single-sided one. I've already got this and it's not soldered in yet, but yeah, hopefully I can get that all to fit, and then it's basically just going to attach onto these right angle headers that I soldered on the back. And yeah, I'm gonna go 3D print a case, which little printer is down there. It's all kind of jacked up at the moment, but yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, added this little bit when it starts up. Function Gen code by Amanda. Then yeah, press a button. Square wave. Square wave. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.